guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this braided wig. I've actually introduced this style to you before in different colors, and this is color 133 mixed with 230. Yeah, so just comment down below if you love this style and color as well, and if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send them to you. You can order from my website or on WhatsApp.